Embu Governor Martin Wambora has yet again suffered a legal setback after the High Court ordered for the scrutiny and recounts of votes in several polling stations in Manyata, Runyenjes and Mbeere South sub-counties. While granting the orders, Justice William Musyoka ruled that the evidence adduced during the hearing in the petition was sufficient to grant the petitioner his prayers for a recount. The exercise, which is set to commence next Monday, will be overseen by the Deputy Registrar. In the petition, former Embu Senator Lenny Kivuti is challenging the victory of Governor Martin Wambora in the August 8 poll on grounds that he won the governor's seat by at least 453 votes.
People of Embu County are happy. And they are not just happy just because of the ruling of today. They are happy because we can see the light at the end of the tunnel in terms of getting the facts of who was voted governor of Embu County in August last year. This kind of revelation, and we have always said, can only be found if the votes are recounted.
Meanwhile, Lamu Governor Fahim Twaha has challenged calls for scrutiny and recounts of votes in disputed polling stations, terming it a mere waste of public resources and time. While testifying before Lady Justice Dora Chepkwony in a petition challenging his victory, Governor Fahim said the court had no capacity to conduct the exercise, citing its lack of expertise in election matters. Former Governor Issa Timami is challenging the victory of Governor Twaha on grounds that the Lamu gubernatorial election was not administered in an impartial and neutral manner. Twaha was declared the winner after garnering 22,969 votes against former Governor Issa Timami's 22,848 from all the county's 167 polling stations. And Garissa Senator Mohamed Yusuf Haji has dismissed petitioners challenging his election for falsely misleading the court that they were candidates in the August 8 polls. Haji argues that the three petitioners, Hussein Issa Abdi, Abdi Kadir Farah Mohammed, and Mohammed Aden Abdi, who have described themselves in the petition as being senatorial candidates during the contested poll, are ineligible to lodge the petition. Haji told trial judge Justice Rosa Ugo that the petition was drafted and presented in a clear contravention of the mandatory requirement of rules and procedure of the Election Act. And finally, a group seeking to decriminalize some provisions of the penal code that will make it illegal for consensual same-sex will call expert witness to support their case. Senior Counsel Paul Mwite told a three-judge bench comprising of Justice Chacha Mwita, Roslina Burili and John Mativo that they will be calling a psychiatrist to explain sexual orientation and why the state should not regulate matters of intimacy. Mwite said the experts will table reports to demonstrate biological and social conditions that explain one's sexual orientation. In the case, Eric Gitari moved to court last year to decriminalize Section 162 and 165 of the Penal Code, arguing that the sections are discriminatory and contravenes various provisions of the Constitution, such as the right to equality, freedom from discrimination, human dignity, freedom and security of the person, and the right to privacy. The matter will be heard on February 22nd this year. Ben Chumba reporting for Channel 1 News Hour.